How's it going, everyone? This is the Dewalt Easy One-Handed Opening Pocket Knife. And if you're not familiar with Dewalt products, they're very, very high quality, and they do have a lifetime warranty on them as well, as you can see right down there. So let's go ahead and open this up. And here it is. And first thing you notice is it's just got a nice, good quality feel to it. Really, really do like that. And when it is in its locked position, you can see this little lever right here, which if you push this lever just towards the left side, that will unlock it and then you can close it up. Now for one-handed operation, there's two different ways that you can use this. You can use this little hinge right here and you can just go like that and you can open it up just like that. We'll go ahead and close it once down again. And then the other operation way you can do is this little lever on the back right here. If we push this down, you can go like that, and then you can open it up completely one-handed, and you can hear that solid lock that it does, so we know that it's in that locked position. So definitely a great quality pocket knife. I'd highly recommend this one. Go ahead and pick it up and be confident that you're going to get a good quality product.